Hello everyone, welcome to Sources Classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with respect to the questions pertaining to the GI section of the paper. GI or the general intelligence section, if we talk about this particular examination, we haven't really seen any significant changes as far as the pattern and the kind of question that have been asked in the paper. Okay, the pattern has remained more or less the same and no new out of the box question are being asked. But that being said, although the pattern of the question remain the same or the pattern of the examination remain the same, one thing cannot be denied that the questions came to be a little bit more on the trickier side. Okay, so with all that said and done, what we'll be doing is basically we'll try and understand the kind of questions that have been asked. We'll take three questions from the paper itself and we'll understand the approach towards solving the same. Okay, so with that said and done, let's start off with number 23. Nikhil is 8 years younger to his brother Rohan. How old will Rohan be when he is twice as old as Nikhil? Okay. So now Nikhil is 8 years younger to his brother Rohan. Okay. 23. Then 8 years younger. So Nikhil's age equal to X years. His brother's age or Rohan's age will be X plus 8 years. How old will Rohan be when he is twice as old as Nikhil? Okay, so now Rohan should be twice as old as Nikhil. So when Nikhil is twice X, Nikhil twice as old, that is X squared, because the difference would remain the same. So therefore X will be 8. Okay, so what therefore Nikhil will be 8 years old and Rohan will be 8 plus 8, that is 16 years old. I hope this is clear. So 16 will be the answer. Okay. Now let's take a look at the next question, that is number 24. In a gathering, 7 members are sitting in a row. Okay. So there are 7 members. So let me just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and say 7. These 7 members are sitting in a row. Okay, and let me assume they are facing this direction, because there is no specific mention to the direction. So I am taking them to be all to be facing north, because no direction has been given. Now let's try and put all the points up. Gather 7 members sitting in a row. C is sitting to the left of B. Okay, C is sitting, let me write all the points here, to the left of B. Okay, this is how it's written. And to the right of B. Okay, C is sitting to the right of B. A is to the right of B. Okay, A is to the right of B. F is sitting to the right of E. So F is sitting to the right of E. H is sitting to the left of F. H is sitting to the left of F. Find the person sitting in the middle. Okay, so how can we go ahead and solve this? Okay, let's just think. So what do we have? We have C. So let's first try and identify who can be in the corner. Okay, see, C has to be somewhere in the middle. Okay, C has to be somewhere in the middle now, and B left of B. So let me see, say this be A. I'm just assuming this. Okay, if this is A, we will have B over here, followed by C, then we have D. Okay, now we have H, E, F. So this can be E, this can be F, and this can be H. Okay, situation satisfied. So this is the middle position. Then D will sit in the middle. Okay. So condition satisfies with A and H in the corner position. So I hope this is clear to you how we came about the solution of the same. Now let's move on to the last question. Okay. From the given figure, select the one which the question figure is hidden or embedded. Okay. So this is my question figure. Let me do one thing. Let me draw this question figure one more time. Here, okay. Say this is my figure, and now what we have here is we have this line here. Okay, let me keep on eliminating this. Followed by we have this here till here. Say we have this here. And then subsequently we have something like this here. Yes, the figure seems something like this. Okay, now let me do one thing. Let me join this two. Let me join here. Let me draw this. Let me extend this down, and let me try this. Okay, so basically it's an hexagon. Okay, that is if we go through with the figure itself, then we can see this is more or less similar to option A. We have simply extended the same. Just let me give you an idea. If I join this two, if I join this here, if I bring this down here, again I bring it here and here. See, option A, the same thing will be found. Option A will be our answer. So with that said, we'll come to the end of the video. So I hope all these three questions are clear to you. In case you have any kind of doubt, go through the video multiple times. There wasn't much, to dive deep into this question, so this should be clear to you. So, in case you want a detailed solution of the paper discussed here, feel free to connect with us or look us up for that matter. So what you can do is that you can go through the description section of the video, wherein you will find a bunch of details like our website URL from which you can visit to our website and connect with us. You can purchase any materials or enroll for any online courses for the same. Also, you can find a bunch our email address with which help of which you can write to us, or you can find our numbers on which you can call, text, or WhatsApp us. Feel free to connect with us in case you have any kind of doubt with regards to exam preparation or any doubt in regards to your study, competitive exam, subject-wise doubt in general as well. Okay, with that said, if you like the video, make sure to like, share, subscribe to our channel so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. We'll continue our discussion on this subsequent topics in the next videos as well. Until then, I'm signing out. Thank you so much.